Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my YouTube channel. I'm Sangwoo Kim. Today I would like to share how to do discrete choice type conjoint analysis based on multinomial logic model with various R libraries. I think one of the practical references to understand discrete choice model is as documentation. Let me try to find the proper documentation in Google. Discrete choice conjoint analysis says this documentation, written by Warren F. Kuffel, is very useful and practical to understand discrete choice analysis. There are a bunch of examples to understand discrete choice model. The first one is candy example. So let's try to understand discrete choice model based on candy data, right? So there is input data here. If you use Google and choice of chocolate candy says HTML, then you can find data set as HTML format. As you can see, the first column is subject number, custom number and choice and 3 independent variables. So let me copy data here. Okay. And paste it. Copy. Paste. Okay. And data. Text column. Delimit. Space. Okay. So as you can see, one customer has 8 records, right? So there are 10 respondents choice data. So this is subject, choice, and dark sort nuts, right? So for first customer, subject, there are 8 alternatives, right? 1, 2, till 8. So the first subject chose this alternative. And the second customer, respondents, as you can see, the data structure is the same. So all 10 subjects actually are shown same alternatives, but different choice by individuals. All right. Let me add just one more column to help you understand alternative. Right, as you can see, alternatives from alphabet A to H. So let's save this file as CSV format. And choco candy. Right. I have downloaded this PDF file here. So this is main multinomial logic analysis output by using phreg procedure. Okay. So in our program, I would like to show you how to do multinomial logic analysis for discrete choice type conjoint analysis by 3 different ways. So the first one is using survivor library. Right, and let's read data. Candy.csv. Hello, true. Okay, then output 1. We can use Cox pH proportional hazard function. Okay. And serve subjects, comma, and choice, tilde, dark, soft, nuts, data equals choco candy. It's optional. You can specify ties option as press rule. Sorry, it should be plus. Okay, and then summary. Right. Right, as you can see, we can calculate, we can get same outputs like CS output. Okay. Right. Then once we did discrete choice analysis, maybe we are interested in probability of each alternative, right? So as I explained to you, there are 8 alternatives. We want to know the probability of each alternative, right? So if we use predicts, output 1, right? There are 80 predicted values. This part is this one, x beta. So we can calculate exponential or predicted value. See, bind, choco candy, and alternative. And need to convert predicted value as data frame. Predicts output 1. Okay. As you can see, one respondent has 8 predicted value, and so the next 8 data is same as first 8 predicted values, right? So we only need first 8 values. Okay. Right. So as you can see, we have 8 alternatives, and each alternative has this exponential or predicted value. Right. Let's calculate probability of choice. Actually, the variable name is very wrong, so let's change it. Range exp p 1 as alternative, and names exp p2 exp, let's say. Right, then exp p prob probability expp exponential and sum of okay. Right, let's just change the order. P dollar prob. Okay. Right. So the sixth alternative has highest probability. Yeah, probability of choice. This is S program, and this is same as SS output. Okay. Right. This is the first way to do multinomial logic analysis by proportional hazard regression model. The second one is using by Mlogit. Right. So let's understand data structure first. Right. So in our program, we need to be careful about data structure when you use Mlogit, right? We typically call it, this is wide format, long format, right? Because each subject has got alternatives, and the next records has like a second subject and third subject alternatives. So in this case, we need to convert Mlogit, convert this data, choco candy data as logit data format. So specify data name candy, okay, and choice equals choice, this one, this capital C, and shape equals long, okay, and chid the var, this one is subject. Okay, so we wanna split, data by subject. And the alternative variable. So I actually added this one to help you. So this one, or you can use arts.labels like this. Okay, to till last alternatives. But for me, let's use art.var, right? And drop the index as true. Let's see. Okay. Right. So this TM has actually logit analysis data format. So choice variable has been changed as true and false. So once this one is chosen, then it has been changed as true, right? And dark softness is same, and there is an additional column IDX. So as you can see, the first one, the color is means subject number, and the last part it means alternative alphabets. All right. Then we can do Mlogit choice dark plus soft plus nuts data stm. Okay, there will be an error, I think. Yeah, this is right formula, but as you can see, okay, 3. Yep. As you can see, there is no intercept. So in this case, we need to add 0. Right. Then let's see the result. Right. So also same output like says, right? This is estimate for this independent variable, and also based on this output, we can calculate the probability of choice like the first approach. Right. The last one, I recently have found this library, R choice. Okay. Three. Let's use R choice function and choice again. So plus dark, soft, nuts. Data equals tm, and you can specify actually family. So that is one. So if you use R choice, so you can choose distribution. Yeah. So family equals binomial and logit. Right. Okay. Let's see output. Okay. Same output. Right. So today um, I try to share how we can do discrete choice type conjoint analysis based on multinomial logic model. I hope it was useful for you to understand discrete choice model in R. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.